Ever looked at your calendar, seen a project due in a week, and then proceeded to do absolutely nothing about it for 6 days? Yeah, me too. We've all been there. It's like a weird law of the universe. Work expands to fill the time you're given. A 1 week task will magically take exactly 1 week. But what if I told you that you could compress that entire week of work into a single, hyper-productive, superhero-like day? That you could finish on Friday what you thought you couldn't start until next Thursday. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, grab your favorite energy drink or a very strong cup of coffee, because we're about to unlock the secret of short-time power. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter, and maybe a little bit about tricking your brain. Let's break it down. Step 1. The pre-game press conference. You can't just wake up on Monday and declare, "Today I shall build a rocket ship," and expect it to work. Well, you can, but the results will be explosive, and not in a good way. The secret to a successful power day happens the day before. This is your planning phase. You need to be a ruthless general plotting an invasion of Procrastination Island. First, define the mission. Finish a week's project is too vague. Your brain will see that and run away to hide. Be specific. Instead of work on report, your mission is 1. Gather sales data from Q2. 2. Create 3 charts. 3. Write the executive summary. 4. Format the document. See, now it's a list of battles you can win, not one big scary war. Next, gather all your weapons. Every file, every spreadsheet, every link, every coffee mug. Have it all open and ready on your computer desktop or physically on your desk. The goal is to have 0 reasons to stop and go searching for something. Because searching for something on the internet quickly becomes watching a video of a panda sneezing. Step 2. The Fortress of Solitude. Your environment is key. On your power day, you must become a productivity hermit. This is non-negotiable. Tell your family, your roommate, your dog that you are entering a focus zone. Put your phone in another room, or at the very least, turn off all notifications. Social media apps, log out. Email browser tab, close it. That little ping is the kryptonite to your short-time power. It shatters your concentration, and it can take up to 20 minutes to get it back. That's like stopping your rocket ship to get out and push every 5 minutes. Think of it like this. If you were trying to read a really good book, you wouldn't ask a friend to tap you on the shoulder every 45 seconds to tell you a fun fact about potatoes. So why do we let our phones do exactly that? Step 3. The Pomodoro Technique. Working for 8 hours straight is a recipe for burnout. Your brain needs breaks. Enter the Pomodoro Technique. It's Italian for tomato because the guy who invented it used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer. See? Humor already. Here's how it works. You work in a focused sprint for 25 minutes. No distractions, no excuses. Then you take a mandatory 5-minute break. Get up, stretch, look out a window. Do not, I repeat, do not check your phone. That's a work distraction and breaks clothing. After 4 of these cycles, take a longer break, 15 to 20 minutes. This method tricks your brain. Oh, I only have to focus for 25 minutes? I can do that. It's much less daunting than I have to work for 8 hours. It's like eating a pizza 1 slice at a time instead of trying to shove the whole thing in your face at once. Far more effective and much less messy. Step 4. The fuel. You are a high-performance machine today. You can't put cheap fuel in a race car. That means ditching the sugary snacks that will give you a crash an hour later. Opt for brain food, nuts, fruits, plenty of water. And for heaven's sake, eat a real lunch. A proper meal will give you sustained energy, while 3 bags of chips will just make you feel like a napping sloth. Step 5, the reward. This is the most important step. You have to bribe yourself. At the end of this power day, you need something glorious to look forward to. Promise yourself that epic video game session, that movie you've been wanting to watch, a fancy takeout dinner, a guilt-free evening of doing absolutely nothing. Your brain loves rewards. It will work so much more efficiently if it knows a prize is waiting at the finish line. So let's recap. Plan the day before, eliminate all distractions, work in focused sprints with breaks, fuel your body properly, and reward yourself like a champion. This isn't about doing this every day. That would be exhausting. This is a strategic tool for those big looming projects that hang over your head. It's about taking back control of your time and giving yourself the gift of a much clearer, much less stressful week. So what's that one project you've been putting off? Pick a day, use these steps, and unleash your short-time power. You've got this. Now, if you'll excuse me, my reward for finishing this script is a whole pizza, and I'm eating it one slice at a time.